Hey, good to drop in here. Thanks so much. You caught us wrapping up a day of shooting amazing videos and preparing for this awesome event that we have got set up just for you. Our Make More Sales Live virtual 3-day event coming up in October. And we're really looking forward to having you here. So glad that you are even looking for solutions, because right now it's a tough time. There's a lot of things going on in the marketplace, in the atmosphere, in the political climate, in our environment, and in our culture that is making people go crazy, right? And you can be one of them. I want you to be able to diffuse all of that, right? Actually, we don't even want that. We want you to feel comfortable selling, comfortable growing your business, messaging and talking about what you do, no matter what's going on in the environment, no matter what the political climate. Really, we want you to win no matter who wins in Washington. And you're busy running around chasing your tail, chasing your clients, trying to make sales happen, following everybody else's blueprints and 10-step formulas and all these things that were created for other people, and now you're trying to force it into your process. And no wonder it doesn't work. You ever feel silly or dumb because you know you should be able to make this work? You're smarter than other people. You see amazing people out there implementing other processes that might be working for them, but it's not working for you. Well, guess what? It's because it wasn't designed for you. We've got the thing that is designed for you. You have been selling without scripts and processes your whole life. You've been selling to your spouse, how to get them to marry you, getting your kids to listen to you. You've been in a place where you've been selling to your friends. Everything you do all day long has been about you showing up as the person you need to be so that you can influence other people to take a chance on following you because they trust you and they know what you're about. That is how we do sales in our business. That's what we do all day long for everybody. We've been able to help millions of people, help millions of dollars be made and generated simply by showing up as the best version of you, doing what comes naturally, and implementing our processes and strategies that help you literally make more sales without getting better at selling. That's the name of the game. That's what we're doing. I'm Jim Padilla. This is my wife Cindy in here, and we are here working hard. She's got the team going in meetings and strategies. We are literally here to help you make more sales without getting better at selling. We are going gangbusters putting this event together, thinking out all the details and everything that'll be necessary for you to be able to win. For $197 investment, you click on the link below here. We're going to ask for you for $97 plus 3 days of your time and change the game for how you do sales.
And if he hasn't convinced you already, I am encouraging you, I'm specifically inviting you to join us for the Make More Sales 3-day virtual live event. We are unpacking 6 years of being behind the scenes on million dollar launches and live events. We're owning our expertise and we're gonna download it all to you. We promise you an incredible ROI in those 3 days. You don't wanna miss it. And it's so important to us right now because we are sitting in these crazy times. And I just wanna say, no matter who wins the election, it doesn't matter. We're here to make sure that you win. So again, join us October 22nd, 23rd, and 24th for the Make More Sales 3-day virtual live event. We can't wait to see you.